All right, hello everybody. This is an unboxing sort of thing. I'm going to show you this gaming mouse that Alyssa Yvette on the ManyCam group shared with everybody. So when I see something amazing, I have to buy it. It's terrible. I feel like Amazon lives at my house. So I'm going to open up this envelope. I think, oh, it's so strong. All right. All right, and here it is. Oh my God, it's got fire on it. Oh look, my green screen's like, fire. Okay. Ooh, laser, take three, laser precision MMO gaming mouse with 16,400 DPI and buttons. It has so many buttons. And we're excited about the buttons because that's going to help me control my feeds. Oh my goodness. All right, so I popped the tape off here. Hit in my mailbox. That was pretty cool, except then I had to go walk and get it. Okay. Let's take a look. Now, I did not order the wireless one because I like to be wired. I like to be wired. That way, if I knock something off my desk, I could just kind of like pull the wire up and grab it, like fishing, and go fishing. All right. So, I don't know. There's this little package of stuff. We look at the package afterwards. Okay. Here's the mouse. So, oh man, I dropped something. Okay. So as soon as I open stuff, I drop stuff. This is why I have a wire on my mouse. Don't mind my green screen because you know me, I got to play with it as I finish my classes for today. And I got to just go ahead and click because my lighting is a little different now. Isn't that annoying? Ooh, I'm going to keep tripping you guys out with that. Okay, so don't worry about my greening weird right now. I'm off camera and off classes, and I've just moved my lighting a little bit. Okay, so I guess I dropped this thing. I guess I'll figure out what this thing is. I'm not really into anything gaming, even though I do have a refurbished gaming computer. But you know, I only have that computer because it was cheap. It was cheap, and it kicks butt. Okay, this is the mouse. I have long fingers. People say I have piano fingers. So I have piano fingers, but no skill to play the piano. It sits so nicely. Click, 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 click. And then here's all the cool stuff we're going to be excited about when we start with the ManyCamming. So let me get the book, because reality is, oh, there's no book. Oh. All right, let me look what's in this little box. Maybe that's going to be helpful. You guys know that I'm a one-take video maker, so if you want something that is smooth and cut and made to look like it was done the first time, you're not going to get it here. Oh, driver software. Okay, so this is pretty cool. The driver software comes in this card. All right, and it says press here. Press here. Do you need help? I think I need help. Press here. Oh God, Sam. Press here. I'm pressing everywhere it says to press. What's not happening? Press. Oh. Look, okay. So you press and it pops this out, which I'm assuming you just stick in your computer. Oh Lord, they need to be careful when they put me in charge of things. Okay, what I'm going to do first is realize that this is a book. Okay. All right, so let's take a look on the setup. Product description. Yeah, I got a mouse, whatever. All right, product introduction, installation. Here we go. Let's plug the mouse into a USB thing. So it's got this little Velcro. I like the cord on this. It's one of those, it's just a really cool cord. Do you see that? It's a rope cord, and I do like it. It's pretty long, which will be great since, you know, for the most part, I stand and teach. I'm just going to go out of camera for a second as I plug this in. All right. I've plugged it in, and it is coming to life. Oh, see, it's lighting up. Really cool. Okay, so now I've plugged it in. Step 2, run the installation software on your computer. I don't see the installation software coming up automatically. I'm going to actually put this in a different USB port, and then if it doesn't come up, I'm just going to go ahead and use the, let's see, where's my existing mouse? Let's just unplug that, and I'm going to use the, I'm out of shot here, I know. I'm going to use the driver that I gave. So let's see. Plugging it in to a different part of my computer. See if anything automatically happens. Nothing. Oh, it's actually, this is the mouse. It's actually working straight up as a regular mouse right now. I have my mouse, my regular mouse is now disconnected. I have a, I have a cord party going on here. All right. And now I have just this mouse. So just when you plug it in, it's already working. You see, it's already working as a mouse. All right, very cool. So at the very least, ooh, that is very sensitive too. Very sensitive. I'm gonna play with it. You have very little moving that you really need to do at all, and it works. So I know we can adjust that. Okay, and then now the next step was run the installation software. So I'm gonna use that card that I, of course, dropped on the floor, and I'm going to plug it into I'm going to plug it into a USB and see what happens. I hope that's what I'm supposed to do. I'm going to feel really silly if I'm not. All right, I've plugged it into USB. Ooh, and now stuff is happening. Okay, look at this. All right, gaming mouse. Oh, a gift for me. Give me a gift. I want a gift. I'm going to just try to make this bigger. It's super sensitive right now. Oh, I'm going to have to fix that. It's way too sensitive. Okay. All right, let's just go for the setup. Download. Direct download. Let's just go ahead and download stuff. And it's downloading, as you can see. I know this video is already pretty long, but feel free to go ahead and fast forward through. I'll put the timestamps on for you. I'm going to open it. It's a really sensitive mouse. We're going to have to play with that. Oh. No, I want you to run. Run anyway. What could possibly go wrong? All right. So it's running. Oh, I'm frozen on the screen. Install. All right. Somehow ManyCam left. Let's finish this up. See if I can get my ManyCam back. ManyCam has left the party. ManyCam is back. Okay, so now let's make this a little bit smaller. And now this was just up on the screen. Okay, so, all right, now let's do our settings and everything else like that. The DPI, I believe... Yeah. All right, we're going to deal with the DPI. Oh, scroll speed, pointer speed. What if I slow this down? Let's see. Is that my... No. Okay. Woo. Let's go into our DPI, and let's see if I can... Oh, this is already getting a little bit better. This is where I can adjust for the sensitivity. Listen, I'm not even going to pretend to know what any of that is. Oh, let's read. Okay. Acceleration, pointer speed, the speed of the cursor, scroll speed, double click speed, profile, changes the currently active profiles, acceleration. Listen, if you're a gamer and you're mocking me, go mock away. I have no idea. So the acceleration level, the mouse, the higher the acceleration the level is, the more sensitive the cursor will be. Oh, when you move the mouse. Okay. So I want to see that acceleration and... All right. I don't know. All right, we'll go into that next. Light. Ooh, what color? What color? VIP kit orange. Yeah, let's do some orange. It's really just, when I'm doing this, I'm clicking on it, and it's just changing the color of like the ball and stuff like that there. Brightness level. Yeah, let's do that high just for fun. And it's all green. You can't see. Let me move this out of the way. This is a mess of a video, but it's a real video. All right, so green right there. Ooh, I could do some pretty pink. Yeah, let's do pink. Why not? Okay, and the next one, which is why I really got this, I think, is to get my buttons all set up, right? I want my buttons. So I do believe, which one is it? Let's see. I'm not going to pretend to know. So if I want to do my 12, weight instruction, select the weights. Ooh, those were weights. Now I feel like I dropped more than just this though. We'll have to figure that out. Okay, we're going to figure that out later. Let's just go on to the stinking numbers. All right. The numbers. Ah, I saw her do this. Now I got to remember what I did. Ah, here we go. Configuring the smart bulb. Are they available after the driver installation? Save. All right, let's click on these. Fire key. Fire keys. Fire key. DPI switch profile report rate. DPI 1. Oh, side. Duh. All right. So you just click on side. See, if I'm doing this with you, it's great. And now I could just set up what I want each one to be. All right. So I want this one to be, see if I can hit Control 1. No, let's see. Left grip, middle button forward, single key, combo key. Oh yeah, combo key. All right. So I'm going to say I want it to be Control and 1. All right. Let's do it at the same time. Control 1. Okay. Ooh, okay. Now the next one, I got it. We want it to be combo key, and it's going to be Control 2. All right. So now we're gonna set that up. Combo key and Control 3. Good. Combo key. Control 4. Feel free to fast forward. Combo key. Control 5. Combo key. Combo key. Control 6. Combo key. Control 7. Ah! I didn't hit the combo key, so I just changed. We'll see what happens when I hit Control 7. Combo key. Control 7. Great. Combo key. Hit the combo key first time, Sam. Control 8. Oh, I can't wait to not have to hit Control anymore. Isn't that exciting? Combo key. Control 9. Combo key. Control 0. And then I'm going to have this number 11 simply be copy. So number 11 is going to be my copy, and number 12 is going to be my paste, right? Because I saw that. That was awesome. All right. So now I think I've set that up. So now I'm on ManyCam. Let's see what happens if I hit. Let's do it together. Let's hold my mouse pad up. I don't know if it's needed. Gosh, you think I know ManyCam, and then I'm like technological when it comes to these things, but I'm not. All right. So let's just see what happens when I hit 1. Well, I'm already on 1. Let's see what happens when I hit 2. Nothing happened, so I didn't set it up right. So let's see what else I need to do. I need to hit, I'm sure, apply. Think I just need to hit apply? Or okay? Oh, what'd you do? Okay? Can I hit apply? Can I hit save as? Oh, why are you doing this? What did I do wrong, guy? Oh, look at my number 10, though. Oh, my gosh. Oh, it died. Okay. Let's go back and find it. Mouse. Gaming mouse. All right. Do I have to do this all over again? Oh, I don't. But this one's not right anyway. So combo key, Control 0. Okay. Now if I hit OK, I hit apply. Okay, I don't know. Oh, I didn't get that before. All right. It's not moving out of the way. Okay, oh, what are you doing? Why are you doing that? All right, now let's see what happens. Guys, I'm having trouble. If I hit 2. It did it. 3. Oh my goodness. 4, 5. Okay, my 5 are already there, I guess. 6, 7. It's working. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm just going to hit 1. Look, I'm looking at you. I'm hitting 1, 2. 1. What? 2. I'm a mouse. 1, 2. Let's go to number 5. Okay, that works. That's really annoying. Let's see how my copy and pastes work. Let's just go and open up All right, let's do Google. Google. All right, I'm just gonna like highlight. Oh, okay, no, I'm not. I'm just gonna look up something. Let me look up dog. Dog. All right, dog Wikipedia. Okay, and I'm gonna just highlight, and then I'm gonna hit 11, which should be my copy, and now 12. Oh, it works! My copy and paste work. Okay, I figured it out. Guys, if I can figure this out, you can figure this out. How fun is this? I'm going to play around with it. I'm going to adjust the cursor speed thing. If you're a techie and you're laughing at me, go for it. I don't care. This is pretty cool. This is going to change my ManyCam game. I'm super happy. I'll set up another video after I play with it for a little while. But for now, this was awesome. So glad I got the recommendation for it. Peace out, guys. See ya.